Well, bad news, as always. There's Porter. There's an exhaust leak in my car. We all knew that. I let you guys know in a previous video what was going on. I couldn't find it. I checked the clamps, every clamp point, everything was fine. I was just under the car, just feeling around for air basically coming out. And guess where the air was coming out of the $1,000 Bull X catted downpipe? It was coming out of this CTS pipe. It was coming out of this braided area. The downpipe's been on the car for about 20,000 miles, 25,000 miles. About a year and 10 months. And basically where this braid bends, there was just a rush of air coming out. So, what do you think, Porter? What are we going to do about this? I'm going to email Emmanuel Design and Bull X, tell them what's going on. They have a 1-year warranty for this stuff. I ordered the new CTS downpipe in the eventuality that maybe when I had it up on the lift and the downpipe was out and I found a horrific issue, I thought due to rust, I would just have one as a backup and I could return this if I needed to. I don't want to install the CTS downpipe. It's all I can afford right now, so I don't know what to do. What would you do, Porter? I mean, we have a $1,000 downpipe that is leaking out of, it's a manufacturing defect. Without a doubt a manufacturing defect. It just started 2 weeks ago. Nothing had changed in the car prior to it starting. I had not been under the car, I had not done any exhaust work or lifted it. The resonator delete was put on a year ago, so this is a brand new issue. No exhaust work has been done to it. So, I don't know. I'm waiting for Porter to guide me on what to do next. But either way, I'm going to send this video to Bull X and show them here is where the downpipe touched me. Obviously CTS looks good, but the Bull X one does not. I'm just going to see what they say. They're probably going to say go fuck yourself, and in which case I have more reasons to not recommend Bull X. So, add them to my list. ECS is on my list. Forge maybe on my list, I don't know. We'll see how this turbo blanket replacement goes. Anyway, stay tuned. That's all I got for now.